Hi everybody, this is a quick introduction to the WordPress blogging platform so that you know a little bit about it and understand why it is the best one to use. So my name's Theo McArthur from Build That Blog and I've been blogging for over 20 years. I want to quickly explain to you why WordPress is the chosen platform for most bloggers who are blogging with the intention of generating an income from their blog. First of all, it's very versatile. So we can use it not just for blogging, but for e-commerce, membership sites, brands, creating a magazine site, portfolio. So if you happen to be an artist or a designer or a photographer, so you can create a blog, but you can add these things on and integrate them with your blog at some point if you wish to do so. It's also highly customizable, and we have got thousands of free templates. We call these themes, and even when you have chosen a theme, you can change that theme anytime you like, but you can also further customize that theme with different layouts, your colors, fonts, headers, images, and anything you like. And it's very feature rich. It has a great editor that you can use when you're creating your posts and your pages, publishing tools. It's also available in 70 languages, so you can choose the language that your blog is going to be in. It has a media library where you can upload all of the images you're using in your blog, built-in comments, and there are thousands of free add-ons known as plugins, and in the next video I'm going to show you some of those. Alright, now I want to quickly explain that there are two versions of WordPress, WordPress.org and WordPress.com, and they are quite different. Now WordPress.org is the version that I use, the version my students use, the version that I use in all of my training material. And here's why. With WordPress.org, you have complete control over it, and you have a lot more options, a lot more features, and ultimately it's also cheaper. With WordPress.com, you have less control. There are certain things that you can and cannot do. You also have less options, there are less features, and it is in fact more expensive. So what about the other platforms? There are lots of them. We've got Weebly, Blogger, Wix, Hubpages. Well, you are renting or borrowing a space on their platform, so you don't own your blog. Now a blog is also an asset. You might in the future decide to sell your blog. Now if you've built your blog and created your blog on one of these types of platforms, you may not be able to sell it, or you might find it difficult, and the price that you will be able to command for it would be a lot less. So you will probably want to monetize your blog. Now these free blogging platforms are for personal use only. If you wanted to use them for commercial use to generate an income, you would need to upgrade. And in fact, upgrading will cost you anything from $10 to $25 or $30 a month, and you still will not have all the features and functions that are available with WordPress.org. Now for these reasons, we use WordPress.org on our own hosting. Now hosting, good hosting, only costs a few dollars per month, and installing WordPress.org on our own hosting account is a very simple thing to do, and it doesn't cost anything to install it. So overall, WordPress.org on your own hosting is the way to go. It's low cost, functional, user-friendly, feature-rich, but what's really important is that it's yours. You own your blog and you have complete control over it.